it's Miss Kristie. I have a special friend with me. Her name's Kaya. Say hi, Kaya. And we're going to read a story about her that I made. All right. Here you go. Play with your friends. It's called If Kaya Can, Then So Can You. Kaya is a special pup who wasn't born like the rest. She only has 3 paws, not 4, but she does her very best. Her tiny paw does not stop her, as you can see. She could run and play just fine. Don't you agree? She may look different with this special paw, but she is not. It's just her special flaw. So when you see something different or not the same as you, don't stare or point, and just smile. And that would be so nice to do. So when you think something is hard for you to do, just remember, if Kaya can, then so can you. Yay. Thanks, guys. I hope you enjoyed the book, and I'll see you soon. Bye.